Hi, this is my workshop. Here you can see a bandsaw and leg vices and the hearth in the background. Jackson and Crosby by the stove. My spinning lathe and the two dishes that I'm currently working on at the moment. My main bench with my range of hammers. And these are the benches that I use, and when I have visitors they also sit in the window and work at these benches too. My range of stakes that I use to hammer and shape the silver. And this is where I do most of my decorative chasing. This is the design I'm working on at the moment. And this is a Morse for Norwich, for the Dean of Norwich Cathedral. And that's the design. And this is part of the silver that I'm about to start chasing very soon. And it's nice to be able to sit in the window and look at the beautiful view of the sea. And back in to the main workshop.